So, question 111. If you're a cricketer and a bit superstitious, you might not like this question. Strange how numbers can have an effect on people. Anyhow, this is the answer to question 111. So the first thing we're told is that the geometric series has got a fifth term of 4.5. So we can immediately write down AR to the power 4 as 4.5. The eighth term is this number here, so we can write down AR to the 7 equals 0.5625. So what we have here are two simultaneous equations. A couple of different ways of solving these. What I'm going to do is take the first one and rearrange. So I get an expression for A, and then I'm going to substitute that expression in for A into the second equation. So I get this. And then when I cancel down the r to the 7 divided by r to the 4 is r cubed, and divide by 4.5, I get that number for r cubed. Cube rooting gives me r equals a half. And when I substitute that back into this equation, then I get the figure for A of 72. So I'm now in a position where I can start answering the question. I need to find the sum to infinity, and I need to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So the formula for the sum of the first 10 terms is A times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So putting A is 72, r is 0.5, and n equals 10, I get this number. And at this stage I've left all of the decimal places. Then I need to find the sum to infinity, and that's just A over 1 minus r. So A is 72, 1 minus the ratio is 0.5, so that gives me 144. So the percentage that the first 10 terms make of that total is 143.8 blah blah over 144 times 100. So that's 99.9%, just the first 10 terms. So the rest of the terms going all the way to infinity make up very little. So that's the answer to the question.